it's the first video of our channel, Cheesy Moments. And I hope you guys can subscribe, turn on channel post notifications and hit the like button. So if you can do that, that would help us a lot. So today we're going to play the Collins Key Slime Food Challenge. And this wheel is going to be judging whose wins. So as you can see here, we've got wackiest, grossest, tallest. No wait, this is, wait, let me look at it. So we've got realistic, prettiest, tallest, grossest, wackiest and smallest. And that's going to decide who wins. And I've got my friend, Flusty, to help us do this challenge. So, both of us have got a white normal slime and a cloud slime.
We've already mixed the slimes, by the way.
Today, I'm going to be making a dessert taco and you're going to be making
a Pop-Tart.
So that's what we're going to be doing. And we've got these chocolate looking poopy things and a knife that we'll share. And we've both got our own rolling pin. So I'm going to start off now. But I'll put the knife in right now.
I'm getting this slime. This was white once, but I put black glitter in it and now it's not white.
Yeah, and I put some of the cloud slime in this.
So you can't see it.
That's like a cool texture. We have used this before, but we weren't filming, so
yeah, that's why it's glittery and it's not the same colour as it was.
Yeah.
We've got cloud slime. Look at it. What's that? You'll believe me. Yeah, that is cloud slime. There we go. Why did you just push the camera out a bit?
I didn't.
You did. No, I didn't.
Right.
It was me.
So I'm gonna let this sit and
I'm gonna let mine sit.
And I'm gonna work on the cloud slime with my rolling pin. And her rolling pin is purple.
Yeah.
And for the next round we're gonna swap slimes.
Yeah. And we're gonna swap the things that we have.
But we're gonna keep our rolling pins.
I'm gonna make a Pop-Tart.
And I'm making a dessert taco.
We said that at the start of the video.
I know.
I had so many words in my hair.
I'm gonna need this and hopefully it makes it a bit thicker. Because we did it a million takes to start this off, and this was the one that actually worked out. So
yeah. Oh, I'm trying to make it really poppy because see there was a video. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it goes where they. This was working a minute ago, wasn't it?
That's right, you need to stand up.
I just scratched my finger.
I know, that happens a lot.
Wait, so I stretch it.
There we go.
And then you go and then you keep stretching it and you keep going in like that. Apparently it makes it really fluffy. I don't know if it will work every week, but I'm still going to try. Apparently it takes hours.
Well then don't do it, because this video's not going to be hours.
I know. Right, I'm just going to make it poppy by just doing this. A couple of things.
I mean, it can last hours, because some videos last hours.
Yeah, it can. Usually, videos like Five Nights at Freddy's ones that Darcy watches, which is my big sister,
And actually, next Saturday we might do a video of the party that we're having.
Our dance party.
Yeah, we've got a party and
it won't be allowed on YouTube.
Is
Zara coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, so we might not do one. We might do one,
Might not
just
do one.
us two before anybody comes.
Yeah, before everybody comes.
Because we'll probably be playing with each other before, anybody comes. And we need to get it nice, and me and Fussy will probably help set it up.
Probably. Because my mum and dad are coming.
Yeah.
It's a really bad dancer and singer.
Well, they're not going to be doing it, it's only the kids. And we're going to watch a film, and I think we will watch Moana.
Moana because our friend does not like Encanto the film, but she likes the songs. So
yeah. And lots of people do that thingy.
It's broke on me. That was rude. Why is this slime so rude?
Yeah, and I didn't show you these up close, but they're
little
chocolate poopy things.
Right, I think that's fluffy enough, do you think?
Yeah. Oh, it's like a bouncy ball, look.
See, it bounces.
Yeah.
They bounce. Oh, I can make a
Or
bouncy
you
ball.
need, yeah,
I can
right.
make a bouncy ball like this. I can make a bouncy ball. How bouncy it is. Look.
It's not long.
See? It's bouncy. It's really good. There's a little cookie thing on the floor.
Pick it up.
My hair is a mess. I'm sorry, that's why it's behind my head. Because there was a knot in my hair. So many knots, so I had to use my fingers to get
And remember to subscribe to A&J Sports and Challenges and A&J
whatever it's
Films
called.
and Gaming.
Because it's our brother.
That's my brother and his friend Aaron, and I am in one of his videos. It was trying to find No Face. I don't know what No Face is.
You did that because I wasn't in the video. Did he not tell you?
No. And there's a video of him reacting to his first ever video, and he put cringe warning in the title, so it was cringy. And remember, that's part of our title, cheesy moments. Cheesy means cringy.
Wait, what we're going to do is the title. Like, using the Collins key, whatever it's called on the box.
Yeah,
That's
so,
what we should do is the title.
yeah.
Whatever it says on the box. We need, you know what's it called? You didn't show them the box.
I did.
No, you didn't. Not in this video, you didn't.
Right.
Is there
The box.
Is that?
Do not eat anything. This is all
And
slime.
it's ages 6 and up, so after you're not 6, ask your parents for permission.
Yes.
Or
And
just
make
get
sure you
this
don't eat any of these things.
Also, huge shout out to Colin's key.
And
Colin and Devin, whatever. I was saying.
Colin and Devin Key, they're brothers.
I think they should know that by now if they watch. This is weird.
Right, this is what I've done.
This is like pizza dough.
Right.
That's what it's like. Look how big
That's
you-
all that I have, so I think I'm going to do this, but I need to straighten it.
Alexa, look what you can do. You can use your hand and like do that, and then it flattens out. Ooh, it made a hole in it. How dare this? This slime is so rude. Why is slime so rude, Alexa?
I don't know. So this is going to be the taco shell. Just not straight in the top.
Taco shell.
Yeah, the tortilla bit.
Tortilla. Okay. So you're,
The outside of it.
you're not making a tortilla, so stop speaking about a tortilla. I don't like tortillas. No offense to the people that do like tortillas, I just don't. Stop. My hair is so annoying. Maybe I should put that in the big bun that I like putting it up in.
Maybe.
I'm gonna go and try that.
She'll be back in a sec.
Yeah, well. Don't tell me.
I'm not. It's on me. This is what I have. So I'm going to put that inside.
No, I don't think you should because it's messy. I'm just gonna leave it. I don't care if
She's
it's
just
messy. Because I know it's messy.
I'm changing my idea. This isn't enough. I don't know what I'm going to do from now. But you know what? I'm probably going to do a cookie.
You should have made it bigger like mine. Look how big mine is now.
Yeah, but this wasn't enough for the inside of the taco. Yeah, and we've got these little dish to reveal the thing.
Yeah,
So the set comes with a wheel, these little dishes, mystery bags of slime things, a rolling pin, macaron thing. I think, no, some of them might be different. Some of them might be different, and these things that come with like challenges and stuff on them that you can try and make, and then you can see who made the wackiest one and all that. That will reveal the sides.
Yeah, not us. We cannot choose. That is very boring. And if you choose your, because we'll probably end up choosing ourselves.
Yeah.
No. So we have to use the wheel, even though the wheel isn't a person, but we're still going to use it because it can still be a judge. Because don't judge the wheel. The wheel is the judge, so you can't judge it. Only I can judge you. Okay.
This is a nice cookie shape.
Oh, it is a nice cookie shape.
So I'm gonna add some icing.
I'm gonna add some of the poo brown things in it. It could be like chocolate. Like,
Yes, I think it's meant to act like chocolate chips, but
I'm gonna, if it's closest, I'm
heard anything she said then. If you can't put the volume up.
Yeah, if you can't, then put the volume up. But then turn it down because
Then it'll be loud.
Yeah, it'll be louder. Because you turn it up really loud to hear me. If you don't need to turn your volume up, then well done you. Don't judge my face, I like doing that.
I'll show you. I'm nearly done.
I'm not. I'm so... Ow. There should be about half of it. It's probably less than that, but I'm still going to do this only to make this one floppy now. Stretch round, stretch. Just broke on you.
I'm done. Just don't look at me.
Don't look at me. Put it in a little dish. I'm going to. Oh, I think I can have seen it, but it's really good, Alexa. Don't let them see it. But I've seen it. I'm done. It's very good. It looks very yummy. If we get realistic, it's definitely going to be her. Hers going to be more realistic. Wait, what? We can still choose ourselves to see.
No, it's the wheel that chooses.
No, but we need to choose whose is the most realistic, or whatever it says. Realistic is still like is a word.
I kind of hope it lands on the prettiest or realistic. But what if it lands on smallest?
Then whose is the smallest? Yeah, yours will win. Unless I fold my Pop-Tart.
No, it's cheating.
No, it isn't, because I could fold it. And then
Yeah, but if you cut it in half, it still counts because if you put it together. I'm done, so I just need to wait for her.
Don't make me go.
I'm gonna actually play with the icing bit until she's done, and then put it back on.
Alright.
Well, just a bit of it.
This is not going to be a neat Pop-Tart. I'm just going to leave it like that. One of your poo things fell.
They're meant to act like chocolate chips, but they kind of look like poo.
They do, so we're calling them poo things. Mine's not spread it out a tiny bit.
And remember, if you want to watch the channel, it's called Cheesy Moments.
Cheesy Moments. You don't need to tell them that because...
Yeah, well, if they didn't look at the channel name.
Well, don't know. Why would they watch us?
Right. I'm just playing with a tiny bit of slime.
I think I'm going to put this in the middle and stretch it out as far as I can without it breaking. And then I'm going to put the extra dough that I have around it. Okay, that's a good idea, isn't it? If we do hit the like button. Okay. How many rounds are we going to do of this?
About maybe 3 or 4.
I would do 2 because I don't want to do 3 or 4.
No, let's just do 3.
Yeah.
Do 3.
No, but we can't do 3. Oh yeah, we can do 3.
We're gonna do 3 rounds.
3 rounds. We're going to change the slime each time.
Yeah.
Swap slimes each time. Oh, I can rhymes. Wait, can you comment down below what's your favourite YouTube channel? If you can, comment down.
And also comment down below who you think is gonna win. Hashtag for me. Hashtag cookie dough. If you think she's gonna win.
Hashtag Pop-Tart if I'm gonna win.
Yes.
Right. If you scroll down, if you're on a phone, turn your device this way, not this way, not this way.
Well, technically,
Turn it
anyway.
this way.
Anyway.
And then scroll it down, and if you don't see it, if there's a button that's red, press it and turn it grey. And if there's a bell next to it, hit it. Cause then you'll
And then click off.
Cause then you will know when we post new video.
Well, you'll get notified.
You can get notified. I didn't know what to say there. My voice just went. I'm not gonna let you say what you want to see. Look, it's actually spreading out more than I wanted it to. So I'm just gonna leave it. Nothing happened. Why did you say nothing happened? Something on the screen. What's that?
Oh, it's just you guys.
No, it's not. It's not me. That's not.
I don't know.
Oh
Doesn't
no,
matter.
it's not. I can see it. I think.
back there.
You can't really see it. But then it goes on to me, so it couldn't be back there.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter, just leave it on the screen.
And I think this is a weird first video.
It's not me.
Then subscribe because we're weird.
Yeah, you are weird.
If you want to describe us, just call us weird.
Yeah, call us weird. If you want to tell your friends about us, then just
Describe us as weird.
yeah, describe us as weird. Because we are.
And we were going to film outside, but it's raining.
It's raining, yeah.
In Scotland, we get rain a lot.
Yeah.
And
Or snow. Or snow if it's cold.
Yeah, snow.
I'm almost finished. I need to fold my thought part, I think. I'm going to fold it. This is more thought part. I'm just going to flatten it out a bit.
Done?
I need some poopy things. I'm going to put some inside and on top. Something just fell.
We're probably one of the poopy looking things.
Yeah, probably was. Go to this side. Poopy looking things. It's not a poopy looking thing, but put some poopy looking things in. Poopy looking things in. I don't know what I said. Yeah. Yeah. Stop going in the same hole. It's not a bum hole. You won't come out.
Yeah, if we say things like that, then. Yeah, still.
We should have bleeped that. We probably should have.
We're not going to.
We can't. We don't want to. We want to.
It takes up our time. We don't want to.
It takes up our time.
So we might do 1 or 2 videos today. Or 3. Who knows?
3. Yeah. After this, we're gonna make sure it's good and we're gonna watch it. So
Rewatch it.
yeah, rewatch it. We're gonna rewatch it.
And we need to think of a video idea for our next video.
Yeah, but what if
We need to write down a list of stuff.
what if we don't like this one when we watch it and then we don't put it up? We probably still will.
We're just still going to put this up.
I'm finished.
Right, spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel. Grossest.
I never spun it right.
I know you didn't. Alexa, give it to me. This is how you spin a wheel. Not like this. Not like that. Like this. That
Didn't
does not
work.
work either. Wait. Stop.
Wacky.
Grossest.
Grossest.
No, can we spin that again? Because both mostly smallest.
Smallest.
Apples. But only should do a size comparison. They're basically both the same size.
Spin again.
We need to spin again. They literally were the same size. So we need to spin again. Tallest. Like stand them up.
No, we're not going to do
Oh
tallest
yeah,
or
then,
smallest.
then they would be the same size again. Because the
Prettiest.
prettiest. Who do you think is prettiest? I think it's hers. I think it's Alexa's.
So this is mine.
I think it's Team Alexa, not mine. This is a Pop Tart.
Yeah, so cut yours in half and reveal what's inside.
Okay.
Get all the poopy looking things like this.
Yeah. Get all the poopy looking things over this. Let's cut it in half. Do we need to cut it in half? Because then it's going to make it stick. I'm not cutting mine in half. I'm just going to open
We're going to swap slimes
Yeah, we're going to swap slime, so we need to get this.
for round 2. Number.
I think you need to hold your hand up as well.
Right, we just paused you for a moment
Not a moment, I would like
to get ready. Just saying moment. Cheesy moments.
Just dropped it.
I will help you.
Why did you do that? That was a tiny bit. I can't get any more off of this, Alexa. It's ugly, honey.
Okay, just mix it. Wait. Don't mix it.
We're getting mixed, Alexa. I need to wash my hands. I don't like it.
No, you don't need to because you're just going to touch more slime.
Here's your slime. Here's your slime. Give me, no, it's,
I don't know what I'm going to do with this.
give me your
Right, let's just keep it. Let's
No.
just keep it the way.
No, we said we were swapping. We're swapping.
At least I only get to use this once.
What?
At least I only get to use this one.
I need to use it twice.
Right, we're going to start. Pick something to do. I'm going to look at this.
Can I look as well? I'm gonna make an egg.
What?
No, I'm not gonna make an egg actually. That's boring. What's not boring? It's not an egg. Can you stop? I think I'm gonna do that.
What?
I'm doing the waffle as well.
So we can see whose is the best waffle.
Yeah, we can see who's the best waffle. I think it's going to be colour. I have the butter colour, so this could be the butter.
Doesn't matter. Waffle doesn't land over rustic. I just said that whole thing wrong. What did you just say? You said boy should come around rustic. So what if it lands realistic?
Then what if it is the most realistic?
Well, then it will be tied and it all comes down to the last round.
Yeah, so I hope I win. I think she won the last round, so if I won this one, then I'll win. Next one, I'll win.
Yeah, and now winner gets nothing.
Spoke for me again. I'm just going to... Wait, what? You have more than me. Look how much I have. Right, scrunch those up 10 double quickly.
No.
Look, see when I flatten mine. Take that. Look how much I get. That's not really going to help Alexa.
Doesn't matter because look, this is tiny. And yours is bigger. So,
Sorry. Squashed it enough, I think. Now I need to do this and bring some out to the sides like that. No, maybe I don't. I'm just going to put some little details in. We've got the waffle square smaller, not smaller. Smaller. And everything start going across. Cross. Don't look at me. I'm almost finished anyways.
thank you.
You're not welcome because you took it from me.
You don't need it.
Yes, I was going to use it. I was holding it. Why would I be holding it? This is going to be my butter block. I'm going to set it on top. And I need some brown poopy things to sprinkle on the butter. Make it on the blue chocolate. Maybe I should put that inside the waffle. Brown poopy things. In my waffle. In my waffle. In my waffle. He's not even left. Zeus is still there. Zeus is our cat. He's still here. He's still mowing at us. I'm almost finished. I'm gonna put that in my dish. This is my dish. This is your dish. Finished.
Just spin the wheel. No, spin. No, spin properly.
Take a length.
Smallest. Same size, kinda.
No, mine's smaller.
Fine. No, but we're not doing smallest or tallest.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not
doing that. Yes, we are, Alexa.
No, we're not.
We can't not include them.
Yes, we can.
Well,
Fine, she won, but it all comes down to the last one.
Yes, hold on. Alright, I'm going to take these little poopy things out. There you go.
No, you were supposed to take them out.
Well, you can take them out now. Mug's not doing anything. I'm going to crumple the waffle shape anyway. What should I make?
I'm gonna make a
donut.
never took the chocolate poopy things out.
I'm going to make a donut. Wait, where can I put the chocolate poopy things? Because I need that to make a donut.
Donut showdown.
Do not do that. Show not.
I don't know what you just said.
I was going to say showdown, but I said show not. Instead of donut.
Right, now just flatten this a tiny wee bit. It's gonna be small donuts.
Okay.
And it has to be a circle.
And that's why I'm good. This might work. I'm gonna squish it down and then I'm gonna do this. Hopefully that works. It's kind of working, but I'm just gonna shape it with my hands. Shape.
For this round, it's either going to be between the wackiest, grossest, prettiest or elastic? Because we're both in donuts. So
Yeah, so they're probably going to be the same size.
it's 1 to 1.
I know 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 is a number. 1 1 1 1 is a number. Right. Why am I singing 1 1 1 1 1's a number?
I don't know.
Pop. I made a big poo.
Look at my donut.
Well, at least you want that.
I don't know.
It looks like a big explosion coming out. That's what it looks like.
We can't see you.
Hey, no! Don't look at him! Don't look. He's trying to peek in. He's still trying to peek in. I'm gonna stand here. No, they still can't see you. No, he's still there. He's still there. Finally, we don't see him. You're not gonna say bye to your dad.
I'm going to when he comes through. Because he'll come through. If you can hear him saying, then.
What was that? What was Is he okay?
That was my mum laughing.
What was it?
Look, there's a hole for my chocolate tiny brown thing.
What?
Chocolate tiny brown thing. Chocolate tiny poopy brown thing.
This is my donut so far.
Do you like it? If you do not like it.
This is tiny icing. Look how small it is. It's so small. It looks big, but it's really small. Look.
No! Hold on, I'm gonna pause the video.
Wait, she's back.
Just grab.
You're sitting on my bum.
Your bum was sitting on my bum. Right, I'm done.
I'm almost done. This is my donut. I need to put little poopy things on it. The yours kind of looks better than mine. That's not. There's poopy things. Right, I need to put the poopy things on. I'm just going to round that to a circle.
Done.
I'm just putting some poopy things. Can you stop? It's kind of annoying. Stop!
No! No!
Alexa,
Yeah?
can you run that favor?
Uh-huh.
Close this door after me.
Right, I'm back again. Superman. Hello.
Right, done?
Oh, thanks. Right, we need to spin the wheel. Spin the big
does that win?
Alexa, stop. She keeps spinning it, not the right way. Smallest and not
Not
right
done
way.
that. Smallest.
again.
Smallest!
Tallest again.
Prettiest.
I don't know. Should we ask your mum?
Right, we're gonna judge. You guys stay right here. We came back with an answer. Mine
Ours.
won. I'm not gonna brag about it.
Good, that's what I was about to say. Don't be bragging about it. It's because it's your cat. You know what's in it.
We opened it together.
Technically, I opened it because I actually opened it.
Too many trainers at the front door as per usual.
Right, anyways. Bye.